when you're finding something, you need to look back. Where have you been? Today, I don't remember where I have been, but I am sure that I went.
This is your channel.
So here is a quick recap. I went home, opened the door, checked my things, found out that I was missing something important. I gave YouTube tips as an analogy in finding something. And this week is a continuation of that. Will we be able to find that important thing? Will we be able to find what's missing in our channel? Tune in and find out. Let's go! Do you know what's not missing? My pimple. 2 of them. Bruh. When we're looking for something, we have to go back to where have we been. And for me, I think I need to go back to the start of our drive. And step number 1. Now that we have identified that thing, that part of the video where your viewers had clicked off, step number 2. The next thing that you have to do, that you need to do, is you have to build a system. You have to build a plan. So set things in order. Write your bullet points on your videos. Write your storyline ahead of time. If you're really busy with work, do your videos on weekends. And on weekdays, what you can do is plan your outline. Plan your script. I really can't see. Here is step number 3 with a bonus. A man biking. Next is when you get frustrated, when you don't know where to go, what you can do is you need to think and stop acting blindly. You need to open your eyes. Work on your content while you're focusing on your skills as well. We are still on our way to the and this is step number 4. It's like drinking water. If your glass is empty, you have to replenish it with fresh water, with fresh ideas. Consume more YouTube. Study on your favorite YouTubers, what works for them, and those tidbits, those small things, apply that to your channel as well. Oh, step number 5. Here we go. Now that you're applying these tips, like me, it's step by step. It's all making sense. Now, I suddenly remembered what was missing to me today that is so important. It was here. Maybe it's at work. We're almost there. Oh! Office.
Disarm system now. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
The first thing that we need to consider when finding something is we have to know what is our goal. Next is we have to know what is our why. Why are you doing what you do? Lastly, it should always come back to where have you been and where you want to be. So here are more practical tips that we can also use in our YouTube journey. Retract your steps. It's all about the mindset. Do a systematic search. Check for areas to where it should be. Clean up. Get help from a friend. And when you find it, keep yourself from losing these things in the future. Lastly, enjoy your search. That is how you win. That is how you grow. If you're getting value so far in this video, can I ask a simple favor? Please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. Shout out to the comment winner. Mag-comment ka sa video na to para ikaw yung winner sa next episode. It was my phone. And the reason why it was missing is that I was using it to record this video. Hey! Kidding aside, the last tip I want to give you is that how should I end this video? Now that I found my phone. In this part of the vlog, I want to talk to you about end screens. End screens are very, very, very important because it sends a powerful signal to YouTube. More than the like, more than the subscribe. If you made your viewers watch another video, then that would send a very, very, very powerful signal to YouTube that the video that was watched for the first time was very good. If YouTube figured out that, then it would push it. I will end the video with this. Choose a video that you want to highlight or set the end screen as best for viewer and then end your video like this. If you want to know more practical tips how you'll be able to grow on YouTube, then click on the video you're seeing right now, because if you do, then your YouTube journey would be easier, your growth would be faster. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.